Understanding Cleaning House, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, cleaning house. This idiom can be a bit tricky for English language learners, so let's explore it together. Remember, understanding idioms is key to mastering any language. Cleaning house doesn't just refer to the literal action of tidying up a home. In English, it's often used metaphorically to describe a situation where an organization or individual is making significant changes. This can involve removing people, changing policies, or discarding old methods. It's about starting fresh or making improvements. The phrase, cleaning house, likely stems from the literal act of cleaning one's home. A task that involves removing dirt, organizing items, and sometimes, getting rid of unnecessary things. This idea of purification and renewal is what the idiom metaphorically conveys in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. 1. Corporate context. After the merger, the new CEO is cleaning house, replacing several managers. 2. Personal context. I'm cleaning house this year, cutting off relationships that don't positively contribute to my life. These examples show how cleaning house can apply to different scenarios, emphasizing the idea of making major changes or improvements. Some learners might confuse cleaning house with simply cleaning a physical space. It's important to understand the context in which it's used. If someone is talking about an organization or personal life changes, they're likely using the phrase metaphorically. And that's a wrap on cleaning house. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom. Idioms add color and depth to language, and understanding them is a big step in becoming fluent. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.